Hi guys, welcome to DIY Ideas. I hope you're doing well. So for today, I wanted to show you how to make a Pokeball with this crocheting technique. It's really simple and it's really fun. I had a couple of people ask me for it. I guess there's a lot of Pokemon fans out there. So yeah, it's really cool. So here's my Pokeball. So this is medium sized. I have done double crochets, so 50 times, going all the way around. So it's really simple. It maybe looks complicated, but it's really not. I can show you in a sec. So here I have a small circle that I glued on there so that it stays in place. So that's the only piece that's not together with the entire ball. Here I used half treble crochets and then went with double crochets outside. Oh, also here I have just the different colors but the same deal all the way. So it's really simple. Yeah, this one is 3.5 size wool, so it's really thinner than what I regularly use, but it's really just the plain old wool you can find anywhere. I also filled it with the fluff I had from earlier, so it's basically the fluff you use for pillows and similar stuff. It's easy to find and it's pretty cheap anywhere you look. So the needle is size 6. So yeah, this is what it looks like. As I mentioned, there's a lot of Pokemon fans out there and I got some questions if I could do this. So I wanted to show you guys and I hope you really like how it looks. I know I'm really amazed. So yeah, you can do different sizes. You can take different patterns or different wool. It really depends on what you want to do. But I thought for now this size is good for a show. It's not too big and it's not too small. So yeah, that's pretty much up to you how big you want it. I guess you could make it even as a pillow a lot bigger. So yeah, it's really cool. Here I kind of hid that I glued it on so it looks like it's all one piece, but that's the only piece that's actually glued on there, so everything else is a hole. Yeah. So yeah, if you like how this looks, feel free to shoot a thumbs up. The instructions I will have for you below in the description, sorry. So yeah, it's not difficult. I will mention how many crochets you need and how you can do them. So yeah, let me know if you got it. It simply goes, it's a really simple pattern. It's basically double crochets and all you do is just go round and round all the way until you're done. So yeah, thanks for watching. Feel free to shoot a thumbs up and subscribe. You can also check out our older videos and stay tuned for some new ones. So yeah, thank you guys for watching DIY Ideas. It's always a pleasure to have you here. I wish you a great day and I hope to see you again on our channel. Bye!